Okay, so let's see how long update 13 takes to install. Okay, so just over 15 minutes and we're coming to 50%. So hopefully in the next 15 minutes, around 6:10, we should have at least the download done. Not sure whether it's going to finish the install. We'll come back and check then. Okay, so 30 minutes all up and we're at 99%. Come up to 100. Okay, so about 30 minutes to download it and we're loading into the sim. So all up, looks like it took about 30 minutes, apart from a few updates in the content manager, but all looks okay.